Morning, y'all. So today I'm going to be working on some onesies for my grandbaby, and just want to show you guys some of the stuff that I've done and what I'm working on right now. So here we go. Alright, so I already have the design made in Design Space, so I'm getting ready to cut it out. On my maker, I have the iron on, and I'm attaching it to the mat, placing it on the mat. I don't know what's going on with my maker lately, but for some reason the Bluetooth is not working, so I have to plug it into my laptop. And it's not my laptop because the Bluetooth does show that it is paired to the machine. It's just for some reason it doesn't find it. I'll have to contact Cricut one day when I get the chance. Alright, so I'm loading it up. And I'm doing fast mode, so. And I'll be back once it's finished cutting it out and I've weeded it. Alright, so I'm back. It's finished cutting out. I've weeded it on the mat. And I'm going to get ready to put it on the onesie. My easy press is heated up to the recommended settings. And so here we go. Taking it off the mat. All right. All right, so I'm going to preheat the onesie for about 5 seconds. And then I like to fold it in half so I can get the center line. And you can press it if you want to, but with these onesies you don't even have to do that because I can see the center line right there. I'm going to take my design, fold that in half so I can get the top center and the bottom center, and then line it up on that center line. And then with the onesie, I like to go like about 2 fingers down. And that looks good. Now I'm going to put the Easy Press on. And then put slight pressure. And now I'm going to flip it over on the other side. And then I'm going to do this for 15 seconds. And then you just let it cool. And then once it's cooled some, there you go. It is done. And then I'm gonna bring it close so you can see. Hopefully it'll focus. You want to be able to see like the fabric through the ridges of the fabric through the iron-on material. And it's good. And I'll be back with the other ones that I've made so far so you guys can see it. Alright, so I'm back with the other ones. Show you all what I've done. Of course, with Design Space, I just love the fact that you can make whatever you want. And so here's one. And it basically just says loved. And then here's another one that I made. Another one. And that one, I hope you guys can see that one. I've made some long sleeve ones also. And then this one. That one. That one. And of course, the one that I just showed you all that I made, which I really love. So thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.